find a comfortable seat on the floor or on a bed, the ground, a chair, or a pillow. Or maybe you choose to lie down for this meditation. Any position is fine. And then move around a little just to get yourself grounded into this space. Allow the eyes to close. And then we'll begin with 3 deep breaths in and out of the nose. So when you're ready, we'll inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And now we'll take a moment and think of a color that you will associate with calmness. A color that makes you feel relaxed or at peace. And then keep this color in mind. And now we'll take a moment and think of a color that you associate with tension or stress. And then keep this color in mind as well. For this particular meditation, we will associate our inhales with our calming color and the exhales with the color associated with tension. So when you inhale, you will imagine your body and the space around you filling up with calmness, peace, and relaxation. And when you exhale, you will imagine your body releasing tension and stress. So we'll take a couple of breaths together, inhaling and exhaling both in and out of the nose. So when you're ready, inhale, imagining your body filling with the color associated with calmness. And exhale, imagining your body releasing any tension and stress. Inhale, the calm. Exhale, the stress. Inhale, positivity. Exhale, negativity. Inhale, goodness. Exhale, tension. Inhale, imagining your body filling with the color of calmness. And exhale, imagining your body releasing the stress. And we'll do this again for another round of breath, with the goal of imagining your whole entire body and the aura around your body filled with the color that you've associated with calmness. And then releasing all of the color that is associated with tension from your body. So when you're ready, we'll inhale. Inhale the color of calmness. Exhale, releasing the color of stress. Inhale the calm. Exhale the stress. Inhale positivity. And exhale negativity. Inhale goodness. Exhale any tension. Inhale, filling your body with the color of calmness. Exhale, releasing any of the color of tension that is left in your body. And then allowing yourself to come back into this space. Maybe your eyes were closed. If they were, then gently allow the eyes to open. And allow this to follow you through your day. So at any point when you need to calm yourself, you can use this meditation to bring your body back down to a calm state. Thanks for listening to this meditation. Namaste.